Is your company's data actually safe? Today we break down ISO 2701, the global gold standard for proving your security is real. Originally published by ISO and IEC in October 2005, this standard was revised in 2013 and again in 2002 to keep up with modern threats. While it is not a legal requirement everywhere, many large customers and industries make it a strict prerequisite before doing business with you. Think of it as formal, independent proof that your organization runs an information security management system meeting international standards. In February 2024, a specific amendment was added to the 2022 edition to address new digital risks and ensure the framework remains current. Certification bodies review your system systematically, giving stakeholders confidence that you are committed to managing information securely and safely. Despite being just one way to demonstrate commitment, it remains the most recognized framework for validating your security posture globally today. Want to secure your business data? Let us know in the comments if you plan to get certified. Subscribe for more security insights.